How to Make Shrinky Dinks by Aisyss. Have you ever heard of Shrinky Dinks? Well, if you haven't already, you'll be surprised at what you can make with Shrinky Dink paper or number 6 plastic, Sharpies, and overall your imagination. Shrinky Dinks are pieces of plastic or Shrinky Dink paper that you can transform into stylish keychains. Hi, my name is Aisyss, and today I'll be teaching you how to make them. Let's gather all of our materials. You need number 6 plastic from a takeout container. To check, look for the number 6 in a triangle. Or Shrinky Dink paper. Today, I'll be demonstrating the process using Shrinky Dink paper. If you're using number 6 plastic, make sure to cut out every part of the plastic except for the smooth part. You also need Sharpies, a hole puncher, scissors, and charm cords. Step number 1. Now let's get started. Step number 1 is to use your imagination and create your own design, or you can trace a design onto your plastic with a black Sharpie. Step number 2. Now, let's color it with other Sharpies. Step number 3. Next, using the hole puncher, punch a hole where you want your charm cords to hang from. Step number 4. Step number 4 is to cut out your design using a normal pair of scissors. You can draw out a little border using a pencil to guide you. Don't forget to cut around the hole you just punched. Step number 5. Oh shoot, I forgot to preheat my oven. Make sure to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Step number 6. Step number 6 is to carefully place your Shrinky Dinks color side up on a tray or cookie sheet covered with some foil. Step number 7, let the magic begin. Put your Shrinky Dinks into the oven for 1 to 3 minutes. Make sure to have an adult help you. Don't mind the dirty oven. They will shrink to become 3 times smaller. They will also curl up and then flatten back down. Step number 8. When the timer's up, remove the tray or cookie sheet from the oven and let it cool for 5 minutes. Step number 9. Last but not least, carefully place your charm cord through the hole that you punched. And ta-da! Enjoy your masterpiece!